176 species in genus Lippia. Lippia, a fragrant world of diverse shrubs. My name is Ferb Vu, and I'm fascinated by the genus Lippia. This diverse group of flowering plants, belonging to the verbena family, Verbenaceae, boasts a rich tapestry of species with unique characteristics and uses. Named after the French naturalist Augustin Lippy, these plants are found throughout the tropics, offering a delightful array of scents and forms. Let's dive into the world of Lippia and explore some of its most notable members. Aromatic leaves and colorful blooms. Lippia species are renowned for their aromatic foliage, often containing essential oils that give off a variety of fragrances. Imagine crushing a leaf and experiencing hints of lemon, mint, or even oregano. This aromatic quality makes them popular choices for culinary herbs, teas, and even perfumes. These shrubs typically feature small, delicate flowers clustered together in vibrant displays of white, pink, or purple. Their ability to attract pollinators like bees and butterflies adds to their allure in gardens and natural landscapes. A diverse genus with global reach. The genus Lippia encompasses a vast array of species, each with its own distinct characteristics. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Exploring the uses of Lippia. The versatility of Lippia extends beyond its ornamental and aromatic qualities. Many species have a long history of use in traditional medicine, where they are employed to treat various ailments, from digestive issues to respiratory infections. Some species also exhibit insecticidal properties, making them valuable in natural pest control. In the culinary world, Lippia leaves are used to infuse unique flavors into dishes and beverages. Lemon verbena, for instance, is a popular ingredient in teas, desserts, and cocktails. Mexican oregano, with its robust flavor, is often used in Mexican and southwestern cuisine. Cultivating Lippia in your garden. Many Lippia species are relatively easy to cultivate, making them a rewarding addition to any garden. They generally prefer full sun and well-drained soil, and their drought tolerance makes them suitable for arid climates. Regular pruning can help maintain their shape and encourage bushier growth. Whether you're seeking a fragrant addition to your herb garden, a vibrant flowering shrub to attract pollinators, or a source of natural remedies, Lippia offers a wealth of possibilities. The future of Lippia. As research continues to uncover the potential benefits of Lippia, we can expect to see even more applications for these versatile plants. From new culinary creations to innovative medicinal uses, the future of Lippia is filled with promise. I am eager to see how this remarkable genus continues to evolve and contribute to our world. Whether you're a seasoned gardener, a culinary enthusiast, or simply appreciate the beauty of nature, I encourage you to explore the fascinating world of Lippia.